All that being said, though, when you get serious, when you're really ready to have that second income, to maybe make it a primary income, I don't know what you need from the business, but we are here. We've been here, and hopefully we will be here. Okay, been here, are here, gonna be here. Okay. El Bain says, Kimmy, what do you need when you need two witnesses? And is it only you and your husband if a customer doesn't have a witness? No, 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 Elbane. Mm-mm. No, typically it's a power of attorney that needs two witnesses. It could be a will, it could be a mortgage document. It could be anything, really. It could be anything that requires witnesses. So no, when I say I need two witnesses, I need me as the notary. Remember, I'm a notary, and I need two separate people. So it's three of us in the room. The one I was talking about yesterday. Remember, I told you I had somebody come here. I didn't travel out yesterday because of the rain. I had someone come here. So when he came here, then it was him. It was my witness plus my husband, and then myself. So it was three of us plus the client. So all four of us sitting in the garage because that's what we did yesterday because the weather was so bad and I didn't feel like traveling. Yes, so all four of us. Now, there are some states that will allow the notary to also serve as the witness. Florida is an example of that. In Florida, the notary can be the notary and the witness. She can wear two hats. He or she can wear two hats. But in Georgia, you cannot. So you have to know what your state says. So you're probably saying, well, how are you able to teach all these different people? GG Solutions is from Texas. She's in mentorship. Lori is in Illinois. How are you able to teach all these people? Because you still need to know your basis, your basic stuff for your state. After that, I got you, right? It's just like a doctor. I use this illustration. I love this illustration. I could be an ear doctor, audiologist, right? The ears on humans are in the same place, black, white, whatever. It don't matter, right? Same thing as a notary. Your basic duties don't change, but the ears on an adult are a little different than ears on a child, right? Right? Even racially, some people's ears might be smaller, some people's ears might be bigger. Now, I don't have a fact on that, but that's just facts. We're all a little bit different, right? Just a little bit. Same everything, but just a wee bit different. All that being said, same thing with notary. Once you know your basic duties, then I come in and give you all those little filler things that you need to run a business. Everything you need. Your state doesn't teach you how to collect payments, does it? Nope. State, you won't find that in your state handbook. They won't teach you how to collect payments. Your state don't tell you how to get an LLC, do they? EIN. How to make it a business, how to price your services, right? No. So we come in and we give you all of that. The state doesn't tell you and teach you how to do apostilles, how to do field inspections, how to do any of that. Wedding officiant, right? No. So that's where we come in as notary educators and help you with all your business and get it going. All right. She's saying delicious. GG Solutions cracking up. Darnet's Lab. Hello, hello. How are you? Davina has a question. What's up, Davina? Excuse me. Davina is saying, I know Davina. I'm like, ain't you in mentorship? Davina says, can I go straight to doing apostilles without doing loan signings? I've already signed up for the 47 subscription. I thought she was in the subscription plan. Yes, you can. You do not have to do loan signings. You do not. So what I would recommend, Davina, and come to the live sessions. Do you come to the live sessions, Davina? It's part of your mentorship. Come on. I really think when you come to live sessions, those people, when you're in the live sessions and you do the chat, participate, those people, I'm telling you, are blowing up. Somebody did a job the other night. And y'all tell me if I'm lying, because I'm live here and y'all here, and some of my people from mentorship is here too. Did somebody not go out the other night and do a document one page for, was it $175? $175, one document, because it was after hours. It was real late. Can somebody give me an amen on that one? Put in the chat 100. They made 107. I think it was 175. I want to say it was 185, but I know it was at least 175. Can you put a 100 in the chat or a yes or something that yes, that happened the other day? One piece of paper, $175. It's happening, guys. It's happening all day, every day. And a lot of our people walk in silence. You hear me say that every day. Our community is doing amazing. Now they camera shy. They're camera shy, but they're doing it. So that's all that matters. But yes, you can skip the long signing, go straight to apostilles. But so what that would look like, Davina, for you, and since you brought it up, the question here, we'll go ahead and address it. But this is the kind of stuff, feel free to drop it over in the group chat, If you're not, are you in the group chat? I can't check because I'm on my phone. Davina, are you in the group chat? Because I just don't remember. I think you are. But this is the kind of thing, let's get it over there. You don't have to wait till I go live on YouTube. I'm live in the chat all day. And your fellow team, your fellow notary family is there to help you with this. So yeah, what that would look like, though, is do Notarize Like a Pro. I would highly recommend doing the specialty course also, and then do the estate/trust course. And that's because a lot of your documents for your apostille work is going to look like those documents. So I've outlined the membership, the way I need you to take it, the way I recommend you take it in order to be successful. But you can skip long signing. You can. So do those main core courses that I have there for you. And then go to the apostille course. And yes, you do not have to wait. You do not have to do long signings. Okay. Everybody doesn't want to do long signings, and that's okay. I do it because I do this full time. So I like to make sure my bills are paid. So I like to have any income I can get it, if I'm doing loan modifications, if I'm doing a buyer's package, seller's package. So I like to do everything so I can have a nice flow of income. So if my phone is not ringing for apostilles, no biggie. I'm over here doing a long signing, or I'm over here doing general notary work. So that's why I do it. And that's why I encourage you also, if you want to do it, but you do not have to. You can have a full-blown apostille business, just apostilles, okay? L Bain says, so true. I love the ear analogy. Thank you. Thank you. So Katrisa says, Georgia don't teach you anything. I know. So that's why you still kind of sitting on your notary commission, right? And not making no money with it. They're not going to teach you. Your state is not vested in you running your business as a business. They're not. That's not what they're there for. And we're not upset with them. But the state of Georgia, the state of California, none of these states, Alabama, Illinois, Michigan, they don't teach you how to run a notary business. That's what I do. Okay, that's what I've been doing. So that's why I decided to write these books for each state, right? How to start your notary business, how to start it as a business, okay? How to start it as a business. All 50 states have their own book. So it takes you step by step how to do that. Okay. Let's see what else we got. Okay. Oh, Martha's saying, Davina's laughing. Martha's saying 100, 100. Davina says, I am. Davina, do not be scary, honey. Use that group chat. We're there for you. You see, we talk about everything. Don't be scared. Okay. We want to help you win. You saw, Jasmine don't mind because she's always here live. But she had her first apostille last week. I was so proud of her. Now, hers was 2 weeks in the process. And it happens with apostilles. You get the call today, you may not make the money for 2 weeks later. So when she finally did get the appointment, I was like, are we still talking about that? But yeah, because it took that long to have the appointment. Okay. You know what? I'm going to pour this smoothie out, guys, because I don't want to spill this on my carpet. I just do not. And I can see it happening. I'm going to move fast because I told you I'll move fast. And I'm going to end up spilling it. It was so thick. Ugh. I'm good, though. I'm hoping we're going to go to breakfast. Oh, it's 11:15. Jeffrey. It's 11:15, babe. Oh, yes. Let's go. Can you get my watch? Please. If you haven't forgotten. So I had to print the documents. Oops. I had to print the documents to where we're going today. I'll talk to y'all a little bit longer while I put my shoes on. Y'all like my little socks? So anyway, I had to print the documents. I'll show you. This was the one that Shanika helped me with last week. I had to print the documents. The half of the signing was taking place here where I'm at, and the other half was taking place where she is. She's closer to the airport. I gotta put my sock on. She's closer to the airport. So I sent her the documents on her side of town via email. She printed them. Okay. And after she printed the documents, then she brought it back to me. She was so sweet. So we charged the client a little bit more for all of that. But I actually even gave her a tip because she's an hour away from me. And I really appreciated her doing that. I really did. So she brought the documents to me. So I gave her another little tip for doing that. So then again, I had to print my half on my side. I'm going to show y'all right quick. Okay, I had to put my shoes on. We're late. Yes, we are. I don't like to arrive at my appointments on time. If you on time, you late. Okay? So I can't show you everything. I'll just show you at a distance. Hold on. So this is her part that she did. Can you see that gold seal? You can see it. I don't want to show you their documents. So that's the part she did. Now I asked her to put that seal on there because I know the importance of these documents. They did not require it, but I'm going to stay live for a few minutes, Jeffrey, just FYI.